Aaron? Where is Aaron right now? You done messed up, Aaron!
Hey, what's up? Long time no see. My bad, I know. Been a little absent, been a little MIA on pretty much everything. rx7's still here. I get that question a lot. I just pretty much got a little busy or haven't really touched the car. Yeah, we got a little short-handed at work and my job as a chemist. So I've been working extremely long hours and really haven't had the time to work on cars as much or things. So I really just haven't had the energy or time or really motivation to come do anything with cars. But I'm back now. Grab your Doritos. Let's address the elephant in the room first. I'm sitting on two motors. Look at that. 113B, 213B. Like, this bag felt a little heavy for sure. I could barely pick it up, dude. The thing was heavy. I was like, bro, why these Doritos so heavy? When you get to the end of the bag, and a lot of people do the pour thing like this. So I was about to do that, right? So I picked it up, and when I went to pour it, this thing hit me in the face, bro. I was like, yo, I know people complain about there not being any substance in the bag, but, and then I took it a little more, and another one fell out, bro. I was like, bro. These are two 13B RAW motors for the FD. Both of these engines aren't mine. This one's mine. This is the one that used to be in this car. This is my original motor. I am rebuilding it for someone else. This right here is my new motor. I had an orange FD before I had, this one was silver, and now it's, you know, I did the whole acid green thing. But I had an orange FD prior to this one. Dude, I bought my motor, one of my lights just went out. Don't tell Sarah, we're gonna use her car as a step stool. I don't know what's going on with that. Life's jank. Yeah, these things have gone through the roof. Last motor I bought, I paid $1,200 for that. Motor, trans, all the accessories, everything. $1,200, and I dropped it in the car and drove off. And now, dude, you don't even want to know the price of these things, dude. They've like quadrupled. There's people asking $10K for motors now. And in my mind, I'm just like, mind blown. You want me to pay $10K for a bag of these, bro? I get this for $1.99, bro. I'm still going to do the four-rotor thing. That's still my plan. But in the time being, this was my idea was, I'll throw a 13B in this thing with some, you know, I'll still do single turbo, street port or bridge port or whatever, and at least be able to bring it out again and be able to enjoy the car. This thing has sat for, what, 2 years? 2 years or so? And I just kind of missed the car at this point. Granted, if I would have started back when I said I was, it'd probably be done by now. But I wouldn't have been able to be a part of the build at all. Send it up to a Centric and just be like, all right, yeah, see you guys later. Come back and pick it up and be like, so I did, you guys are done, bad, say less. And that's not exactly what I wanted to do. And plus, like I said, I just haven't even had time to think about this thing until recently. That's why I just went and picked this guy up. While there's two of them here, I'm going to rebuild both of these bad boys. Last time I rebuilt this bad boy right here, your boy made a mistakey. Your boy's about a year wiser now. I feel like I'm going to be able to tackle this thing efficiently this time. So I'm going to actually try to stay on top of the content, try to post more to YouTube so you guys can follow along and watch me get frustrated while clearancing all these sills. You know how when you get in trouble in school and they make you write lines and you write I, www, will not disturb the class anymore. Yeah. See, I never got in trouble because I was a good student, but I know some of y'all did. So when you guys got in trouble, you start writing the I's all the way down the page and then the W all the way down the page and the I. That's what I'm gonna do, except for with motors. You feel me? My plan is I'm gonna get 2 engine stands. So my engine stands is being taken up by, actually let me rephrase, it's not even mine anymore. One of Sarah's engine stands has a 2JZ on it right now. So I'm gonna have to go buy 2 more stands. 2J right there, head back here. You know, our garage is just full of stuff right now. I'm gonna get 2 stands. And my thought was, yo, I'm about to rebuild both of these bad boys at the same time. I'm gonna take everything apart. Obviously have to be very organized here because you don't want parts commingling. Like, I need everything from this motor to stay separate from this motor. So this one runs already, so it already has good compression, blah, blah, blah. But I'm going to rebuild it anyway. So my plan is rebuild both of these, right? Throw this one in. So yeah, rebuild both of these, throw this in there, single turbo, Bridgeport or Streetport. Haven't decided if I want to bridge it yet. I still want to be able to drive this thing. While I'm doing that, also, the 4-rotor thing. So then while that motor is being built, I can still drive this out, enjoy it, bring it out to shows or whatever I'm doing with it. I won't be rushing the 4-rotor motor then because I'll be like, oh, it'll be done when it's done. I'm still enjoying this thing. Then when it's done, take this one out, put it on the floor in my garage, put the new one in. My car doesn't have to be down in the time span and I'm waiting on the 4-rotor to be completed, you know? I don't want the guys up there to feel like I'm rushing them or anything. So now I'm like, hey, no, I'm gonna try to supply everything I need to supply and be like, hey, you know, no, take your time, I get it. You know, they have families too. I don't want to be the customer that's trying to rush them to get it done because I missed my car. You know, I don't want that. I'm like, hey, let's build another motor, put it in there, go up here, build a 4-rotor, then swap them bad boys, and then convince Sarah to put this in her Datsun. That's what she needs to do, bro. Be fired, bro. Single turbo. I guess 2JZs, they or something. They straight. But the rotary Datsun will be kinda gas. It will be fuego, it'd be gas, gasoline. Anyway, that's my plan. Also, like in Gatlinburg, whatever year that was, I blew this thing up. You saw me go up that like mountain of a driveway because I kept getting stuck. Bro, I did so much damage to this thing, bro. So check this out. I'm gonna get it repainted, but guess who's gonna paint it? Yeah, boy. I'm gonna paint it. I obviously haven't painted anything before. This is gonna be my first rodeo. I feel like I'm a whole scientist, I'm a whole chemist. I should be able to follow instructions, you know? The color is going to be modified slightly. So that's going to be exciting. That's one of the things I'm most excited about. So yeah, it's going to take a lot of body work. One of my side skirts is literally in half. It is Karate Kid in half, bro. Here are the motors, you know. Motor 1, motor 2, motor 1, motor 2. Motor, swag cooking with the motor, bang, bang. Bro, no, one of these is broken in half. It's gotta be this one, bro. Oh, it's this one. Let me show y'all something, bro. This is when you want to do hood rat stuff with your friends, bro. Bro, don't do it, bro. Don't do it. See that right there, bro? Don't do it. Yeah, bro. I feel like you know. Yeah, bro. That's not gas. Bro. Yeah, bro. See, there ain't nothing in there, bro. I'm gonna wire tuck this too, bro. I'm gonna tuck all this stuff. Bro, we've been looking for that ratchet. So that's that. Yeah, so looking for this. So there's the 2J. It's kind of gas. Gas. Yeah. You know, here's the car. I'm gonna get it back together very quickly. You know, obviously I gotta fix that. So yeah. This one's gonna go in my car. I'm rebuilding this for our buddy. Yeah, bro. Look at all these little specs, bro. Bro, see that right there, bro? See that right there, bro? That right there, bro. That's stance, bro. That's gas, bro. I did the math on that, bro. Do the math, bro. Do the math. 19 by sheesh. 19 by dang. That boy can do wheel spec math, bro. Yeah. And in the rear, bro. Dang, bro. That thing a hovercraft, boy. Let me show you how to rear wheel specs, bro. Dang, bro. That boy got the specs, bro. Dang. That boy got the Back to the Future, boy. Dang. That's all I got for you guys today, man. You know, I'm about to do something with these, you know. So you'll see me crack both of these open here in the next, I don't know, week or so. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna do with this color, bro. Gas, just gas. Oh yeah, see this? Yeah, an exhaust fell on my car, bro. Well, not an exhaust, my exhaust. Yeah, so that's it. Bag of Doritos right there. Came out of that bag. Both of these. See you guys later. Peace out.